Welcome to my darling detailed tip of the day. It can be festive to add a touch of whimsy to a platter or a plate by simply adding a colorful ribbon or some flowers or greens onto the open-work pierced serving piece. These holes are also referred to as being reticulated. What I mean by reticulated is that the pattern features an attractive open pierced work design, like this, forming a pattern of interlacing lines. These open spaces just call out to me to add a ribbon. For example, a pink or a white ribbon with a flower works very well in our living room at Foxhall. For Christmas, perhaps I use a green ribbon and a touch of holly. And for the 4th of July, a red, white, and blue striped ribbon. Whatever the occasion, think about adding a little something extra to enhance both the food and the serving piece. Now, in order for this little adornment to work well aesthetically, try to take into consideration both the color of the food you're serving along with the color scheme of the room that you'll be serving it in when you choose your ribbon. All these components do need to work together. So now go and discover something you own that you too can adorn with ribbon for your next party.